VisionMaster Pro2 triple laser projector, ultimate for HDR. Experience cinematic brilliance with 15,000:1 contrast. Experience ultra-high 15,000:1 contrast and enhanced black level EBL technology, delivering deep blacks and lifelike colors with 110% rec, 20/20 wide color gamut and 3000 ISO Lumens brightness. Enjoy vivid images free from rainbow effects. ISF certified calibration ensures color accuracy, giving you a true cinematic experience. Precision optics and flexible projection. The OpticFlex lens system 0.9 to 1.5x optical zoom, 0.9 to 1.5 throw ratio offers exceptional adaptability, making it perfect for small and large spaces. Autofocus, keystone correction, and obstacle avoidance ensure a flawless picture up to 300 inches without clarity loss. Unlike traditional TVS, this projector delivers an immersive, space-saving solution with breathtaking clarity. True for QHD and HDR10+ for unmatched visuals. Enjoy for QHD resolution 3840 by 2160 enhanced by AI super resolution for sharper details. HDR10+ dynamic tone mapping optimizes brightness and contrast in real time, preventing blurriness and color distortion. IMAX-enhanced certification guarantees a stunning, lifelike experience for movies and gaming. Future-proof for streaming and multitasking power. Powered by the ISO SAM-T9618 chipset with 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM. This projector offers lightning-fast performance. Unlike traditional 2GB, 32GB projectors, experience smooth multitasking, rapid app switching, and lag-free for QHD streaming. Future-proof your entertainment with Google TV+, ensuring access to the latest content for milliseconds lag-free pro gaming experience. Dominate your games with a 4 milliseconds ultra-low input lag and a 240Hz refresh rate. The ultra-wide 21:9 and 30:9 aspect ratios provide an immersive field of view. Dedicated gaming modes are PG, FPS, or CG enhanced visuals, while FPS crosshairs and night vision give you a competitive edge. HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2 deliver high-speed, low-latency connectivity for seamless gaming. Seamless smart integration with built-in Google TV+, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney+. Enjoy instant access to top streaming services. Effortlessly cast content using AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Miracast. Hands-free voice control with Google Home, Apple Homekit, and Alexa simplifies your entertainment setup, eliminating the need for remotes. Premium features for ultimate convenience. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos for cinema-quality visuals and sound. 3D Ready and Filmmaker Mode for a true cinematic experience. Dust-proof optical engine for longevity. Auto screen alignment and obstacle avoidance for hassle-free setup. Upgrade to VisionMaster Pro2 and experience next-level home cinema, gaming, and business presentations with unparalleled 4K performance.